Hello everyone. Our question is which of the following TOGAF components was created to enable architects to design architectures addressing boundaryless information flow? Option A, the architecture repository. Option B, the enterprise continuum. Option C, the integrated information infrastructure model. Option D, the TOGAF technical reference model. Correct answer is option C. Question is which of the following best describes the TOGAF technical reference model? Option A, it is a detailed data model that can be tailored to specific industries. Option B, it is an example of a common system architecture. Option C, it is a fundamental architecture upon which more specific architectures can be based. Option D, it is a model of application components and application services software, including brokering applications. Correct answer is option C. Question is which one of the following statements about the structure of the TOGAF 9 document is true? Option A, Part 1, the enterprise continuum describes a model for structuring a virtual repository. Option B, Part 2, the architecture development method describes the definitions of terms used in TOGAF and the changes between versions of TOGAF. Option C, Part 3, tools and support describes a collection of guidelines and techniques used in the other parts of TOGAF. Option D, Part 6. TOGAF reference models includes a model for release management of the TOGAF specification. Option E, Part 7. The architecture capability framework describes processes and skills to establish an enterprise function. Correct answer is option E. Question is which phase of the ADM ensures that implementation projects conform to the defined architecture? Option A, requirement management. Option B, phase D. Option C, phase F. Option D, phase G. Option E, phase H. Correct answer is option D. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is complete the sentence, the requirements management phase, blank space. Option A addresses the resolves requirements between ADM phases. Option B is a central process that prioritizes requirements for all ADM phases. Option C is used to dispose of resolved requirements for all ADM phases. Option D generates new requirements and passes them to all ADM phases. Option E stores requirements and manages their flow into relevant ADM phases. Correct answer is option E. Question is which one of the following is an objective of the preliminary phase of the ADM? Option A, to define the baseline architecture for this cycle of the ADM. Option B, to define the application systems for the target architecture. Option C, to define the framework and methodologies to be used. Option D, to define the relevant stakeholders and their concerns. Option E, to define and prioritize work packages. Correct answer is option C. Question is according to TOGAF, when creating views for a particular architecture, what is the recommended first step? Option A, design a viewpoint to address all stakeholders' concerns. Option B, develop views for the target architecture first. Option C, ensure completeness of the architecture. Option D. Refer to existing libraries of viewpoints to identify one for reuse. Correct answer is option D. Question is, which of the following architectures in the architecture continuum contains the most reusable architecture elements? Option A. Common system architectures. Option B. Foundation architectures. Option C. Industry architectures. Option D. Organization specific architectures. Correct answer is option B. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe.